The way we run our recruiting organization is almost kind of like building a Major League Baseball team. And what I mean by that is everything starts with the, obviously you have the majors, and that's all the producing agents, but you also have to take into consideration the fact that you have to build your bench. And the bench is usually going to be individuals that are not even in school. So for instance, we post on a daily basis on Indeed, and we attract anywhere between 10 to 20 applicants that send out their resumes to us to join our brokerage. Most of those applicants are not licensed real estate agents. That's perfectly fine. They go to a different funnel. We have some that are not even in school. That's perfectly fine. They go to another funnel. The ones that are not even in school, all right, we send them a link to our online school that we affiliated with. Every time they signed up with that school, we get a portion of their tuition fee. Okay, typically it's going to be about $130, $150 somewhere there, right? Which is still money. If we add 10 people into that school per month, and that's our average, we're making about $1,500 a month, right?